If your computer shows a blue screen and restarts, here's what it means and how to fix it. Your screen turns blue, shows an error message, and your computer restarts on its own. This keeps happening, and you're losing work or can't use your PC normally. A blue screen of death happens when Windows detects a critical error it can't recover from. The three most common causes are faulty or outdated drivers, failing hardware like RAM or your hard drive, or corrupted system files. The error code on the blue screen tells you where to start. Step 1. Write down the error code. When the blue screen appears, look for a message like driver IRQL, not less or equal, or system service exception. Take a photo with your phone. This code points to the specific problem. Step 2. Boot into safe mode. Restart your computer and press F8 repeatedly during startup, or hold Shift while clicking Restart. Then select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Startup Settings. Safe Mode. Safe mode loads only essential drivers. So if the blue screen stops, the problem is a driver or program. Step 3. Update or rollback drivers. In safe mode, open Device Manager. Look for devices with a yellow exclamation mark. Right-click them and select Update Driver. If the blue screen started after a recent driver update, select Rollback Driver instead. Graphics and network drivers cause most issues. Step 4. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic. Search for Windows Memory Diagnostic and select Restart Now and check for problems. This tests your RAM. If it finds errors, your RAM stick is failing and needs replacement. Step 5. Check your hard drive. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type chk dsk per f per r, then press Enter. Restart when prompted. This scans for and fixes disk errors. If it finds bad sectors repeatedly, your drive is failing. Step 6. Update Windows. Outdated Windows versions have known bugs. Go to Settings, Update and Security. Windows Update and install all available updates. Restart afterward. If blue screens continue, the error code likely points to hardware failure. Search the specific error code online to identify which component is failing. Common culprits are RAM, hard drives, and power supplies. You may need to replace the faulty part. That's how to diagnose and fix a blue screen. Start with the error code, work through the steps, and you'll identify the cause.
Solution brief. Fast answers, no fluff.